Step into history and celebrate America's story. On this guided RV tour, you'll journey through the places where our nation was built, battles were fought, and freedom was secured. Begin in colonial Williamsburg, where costumed interpreters bring the 18th century to life. Then stand on the very ground where our country was reunited, from Appomattox Courthouse, where the Civil War ended, to the hallowed battlefields of Antietam and Gettysburg. In Philadelphia, walk through Independence Hall, the place where the Declaration of Independence and Constitution were signed. Visit the Liberty Bell, explore the Betsy Ross House, and experience Amish country traditions with authentic food and culture. Finally, arrive in Washington, D.C. Explore the U.S. Capitol, Arlington National Cemetery, and Mount Vernon, home of George Washington. Take in monuments by day and by night when they shine brilliantly against the sky. With expert guides, private motor coach tours, and time to explore on your own, you'll experience history in a way that's engaging, effortless, and unforgettable. This is more than a vacation. It's America's journey, and it's yours to take.